Okay, good evening, please. Welcome to 7 John Computer Institute online training. This training is basically for those who don't have much time attending to the training center or coming to the training center. So we are preparing this training for you so you can at least anywhere you find yourself, you do your practice on your system. But make sure you are going to start with Microsoft Office, and then with the Office we start with Microsoft Word. There are some qualifications given. Make sure at least you have a laptop. Another group will be created, so we use that one purposely for the online training. Make sure you have a laptop, and then secondly, make sure you are not new to computer, else you have a lot of them. If you are new to computer, then you have to start from the basics, which will also bring that one later. So now we start with Microsoft Word, and what we have already. When you say Microsoft Word, you are talking of a word processing application that will let you create a variety of documents. So example like letters, your flowers, your reports, anything text-based. We are going to use Microsoft Word. So we will start with how we can get to know Microsoft Word. The version that I'm using is Microsoft Word 2013. So I don't know the version you will be using. We have versions like 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, 2020, whatever. But the steps and the instruction we are going to use, it is advisable you use from 2013 to the earlier one. 2007 will not help, so make sure you are using the earlier version from 2010 and upwards, and not 27. If you don't have 2010, 2013, then you can come to our office, then we do the installation for you. So you start with the word interface. So I'm going to, once you launch your Microsoft Word, I don't know whether I should go back. So let's say we are on new. So I'm using Windows 8. So to launch your Microsoft Word, you can go to your start menu, and then you type straightforward. You can type Word like this, then you get your Microsoft Word 2013. I also have 2016, but I'll be using 2013. Or if you are using Windows 7, you can go to start menu, all programs, then you see Microsoft Office, then you choose 2013 or any version you are using. So I already have open document. Let me go. So sorry. Let me close this. So I'll say Word. So once you open, you'll get something like this. So this is the recent document, then these are the templates, and then a blank document. So I'll click on the blank document, so at least you'll get to know the interfaces that we are going to work with. We'll first start with the ribbon, what you call ribbon, or the commands. So the Word 2013 or any other version you are using uses tab system instead of the traditional menu. So back in the 2003 version, where we have menu bar, here we have tabs and not menu bar. So the ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands. So you use these tabs to perform the most tasks in the Microsoft Word. So when we talk of tasks, these tabs tabs. This is what we are talking. We have home tab, insert tab, design tab, page layouts, reference, whatever tab. These are the tabs, and every tab you click has different commands that you can access. So when you go to the home tab, you have a clipboard group, which you have print, format, printer, paste, cut and copy. And then when you come to the phone group, you also have other commands that you can apply. So these are what the ribbons, the tabs and the ribbon that we are looking at. Then you also have an icon here relating to the tabs and ribbon, which we call it the ribbon display option. So you can choose to auto hide the ribbon, or you show only the tabs, or you show the tabs and the command, as in my case. So if I choose here and I click this, everything will go unless I enable it. So this is for those who are using mini screens. So if your screen is too small, that enabling the ribbon and enable the ribbon will disturb you, then you can hide it, or you can show only the tabs. If you need the other commands, you click and then it will appear. You click and it will appear. So in my case, I'm going to show tabs and command. Then so that's the ribbon display option. Then we look at the quick access toolbar. What's a quick access toolbar? There are many commands that we normally use in Microsoft Word, but these are quick access toolbar in the sense that there are some commands that will be that you have to follow about 3-4 steps before you can perform. But with the quick access toolbar, just click on that particular command and then to perform set function for you. So in my own case, I've already enabled some here, so I can click here. The one check here means that's the ones shown here. So new, open, save, print, preview, undo, redo are already there. So you can choose the one to enable and then the one to disable based on, it's just based on your choice. So I always draw table. I can just click on this, so the table icon will appear on my quick access toolbar. Explain that one already. So anytime I need table, no need to go to insert and then come to table again. Straight from my home tab, I can click the table, then I'll start drawing my table. We shall come to that later. Alright, so that's for the quick access toolbar. Then we have also looked at how we can add commands to it. Now let's look at the ruler. So we use the ruler for setting our margin. So if I click here, you see my margin, the right margin, and then here too shows my left margin. Sometimes the rulers are hidden by default. So to enable the ruler, you come to view and then this is it. So if I uncheck, it will go. And then I'm going to, so if your own is disabled, you come to view and then the show group, you click what ruler to show the ruler. Alright, now let's go to the backstage view. Remember, we are just looking at the interface, Word interface. When you open Word, the things that you see, the commands that you see, then they are how to navigate with through the documents. In short, how to deal with a Microsoft Word document. That's what we are looking at now. We are looking at we are navigating through the document. So the backstage view is, if you want to get access to the backstage view. What's the backstage view? The backstage view gives you various options for saving, opening, printing, or even sharing your documents. So now click File. Here is what we call the backstage view. So I have info about my document. When I'm here, this is the information about the document I'm creating. So I have one page, no words yet. The total editing time, I've opened it for 6 minutes. However,